On our very first day in Hanoi, Vietnam, isa agad sa mga pinuntahan namin ang VinFast showroom kung saan nakadisplay ang iba't ibang electric scooters nila. Kasama ang ilang media personalities and KOLs, nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataon na makita at ma-experience up close ang kanilang lineup of electric scooters.
Hey guys! We're now here sa first showroom na makikita namin ng VinFast. So dito huhulaan daw namin kung ano yung 3 units na ilo-launch. Yan, sobrang dami nakamotor dito sa Vietnam. So trivia, they have at least 77 million registered motorcycles here in Vietnam. So makikita nyo naman sa likod ko, sobrang dami yung mga nagmamotor dito. It's still a mixture of electric and manual yung mga motorcycle dito. Unlike sa China talaga, may area na puro electric lang. Pero sa 77 million, sobrang dami. And sabi nga nila, ang Philippines is around 13 million lang. So, ang liit pa ng malaki pa yung pwede nating ihabol sa dami ng nagmumotor sa Pilipinas.
Excited din nilang ibinahagi na soon, ilo-launch na nila sa Manila ang 3 models na siguradong aabangan ng marami. The Evo, Feliz 2, and the Viper. From the design to the technology behind each unit, ramdam mo talaga kung gaano kaseryoso ang VinFast sa pagdadala ng electric mobility sa mas maraming riders sa Pilipinas.
Favorite, parang most of the bikes, I like the color. Yung color ng Evo. Para siyang inspired ng Vespa. Vespa inspired. So this is the battery na kasama na ng bike. So you can buy additional like this, tapos isa-swap siya. So may maintenance din sila, service area. Double check all electrical kasi nga it's an electric scooter. So akala nyo wala nang maintenance, meron pa rin. Para lang din normal PMS.
Isa sa talagang nagustuhan ko sa VinFast is yung solusyon nila pagdating sa battery life and charging convenience. They will soon introduce in the Philippines their VinFast battery swapping system, an innovative solution designed to solve one of the biggest concerns in electric scooters, the charging time and the battery availability. Instead of waiting hours to charge, riders can simply swap depleted batteries with fully charged ones, making electric mobility more practical, convenient, and rider-friendly for everyday use.
There's live swapping of battery. Ang laki nun ang haba pala nun.
Tapos,
Ay, do the
bali
QR
mag-scan lang siya ng QR
code.
code.
Using a cell phone or something.
Tapos, magla-live kung alin nyo. Paglalagyan nyo.
Pops it in.
Then,
Yan na yun. Hintayin lang mag-load yung screen.
this battery is what? This is the one that we just make sure that you can get in charge.
Ano, reading niya yung machine. Hintayin natin kung alin yung i-offer ng machine. Kung alin battery.
Oh, yun.
So, kanina, 94%
No,
yung
awesome! Woohoo!
Sayo ako! Sayo ako! Galing mo!
Galing! Swapped! Nice!
Alright, hot to left!
Woo!
Ciao!
Right, safe! Naging instant na siya, no? So guys, ito yung kanilang pang-swapping ng battery. This is the solution.
nag-scan lang siya.
Solution natin yan sa... Kasi ang clean ng battery life. So, there's gonna be in different places para i-swap yung battery. That's the solution to the problem in battery. Kasi di ba ang takbo niya mga sa 100, 220 kilometers lang yung haba ng battery. So with the swapping na ganito na makikita natin sa iba't ibang lugar, hopefully in the Philippines, masusolusyonan na natin yung battery na kakulangan ng pag-charge. So mabilis lang, yung katulad ng kanina nakita ninyo. Very fast lang yung pag-swap niya. Parang minutes lang, tapos ibibigay niya sa'yo kung ano yung battery na okay. So, galing. This is one great solution to our problem of the ikli ng mileage na nabibigay ng isang battery. And also, it's heavy din kasi the batteries are heavy. If you're gonna bring one, it's gonna be heavy pa rin. But this will be the solution to it. Galing, galing. Nice.
After our amazing VinFast showroom experience, we were all treated to a very warm welcome back at our hotel. Naging mas special pa ang gabi dahil sa delicious food prepared for everyone. To add on to it, VinFast E-Scooters Philippines CEO Sir Nino Fabros personally welcomed us.
To our Filipino media and KOL, our friends, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Naimbag na rabi, kinyayo amin. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. And to our Vietnamese friends and colleagues and family, xin chào! I would like to thank each and every one of you for joining us on this special trip. We hope this journey will give you a closer look not only at our products, but also the vision and ecosystem behind VinFast electric mobility journey. You know, in the Philippines, motorcycles are more than transportation. For millions of Filipinos, they are part of daily survival, bringing people to work, helping families, earn income, powering delivery riders, small businesses, and everyday life. And over the past year, we've seen how rising fuel prices have put more pressure on ordinary consumers. For many riders, every increase in fuel prices immediately affects their daily budget and their livelihood. This is one of the reasons why we believe electric mobility matters now more than ever. What
Cheers.
It was the perfect way to end our first day in Hanoi, Vietnam, surrounded by great company and an exciting glimpse into the future of electric mobility.